I got seat belts, well, a seat belt for the back because one of them was broken. I had these junk retractable ones in there from who knows when. These were kind of expensive, so I just got the like aviation style cheap ones off of Amazon or Summit. I think these were like 40 bucks for shipping, or this one was, compared to the $60, $80 for the retractables. The retractables quite aren't long enough. Anyways, so I'm just gonna throw these in here real quick. Alright, so to get the seat out, you just pull, like push in right here and pull up at the top, which I already took it out, so it's already gone. Right there. It just rests on these right here. Probably on the spring, I think. The spring. And then there's these that anchor down at the bottom. Somewhere, so you can't see. But I'm gonna move that out of the way real quick. Alright. Get you in here. And then this, on mine at least, was just sitting in here. I don't know if it's supposed to be tied down or what, but it's just laying in here. But we're just gonna slide it back just enough to get to the seatbelt area. So I got it slid back just enough to get in here. And I need to get this out of the way. Come on, release. Alright, I lost my light. Shoot. Now that I got the light back, lights on. We got 1 point up here and 1 point here. I'm just gonna put them in. Yeah, this thing looks like it's had something going on back here at some point. And like, look at these welds. But I've also noticed some welds like this on the bottom, and I've looked it up on a couple forums, and there's other people who mention it, and they're like, oh yeah, well these were all like hand welded back in the day, or at least parts of it were. So who knows, I guess. Looks like something definitely happened in this general area though. Maybe over there where the shocks are. Who knows? This thing's been all the way gone through. I mean, I don't know if there's a certain point where this is supposed to go. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is right. So we're just gonna mount it. Mount it like this. Like that. Can't tell if my big head's in the way or... And we'll mount this one like so. Mount it like that. Maybe. There we go. I see something though. Where's my rachata? There it is. Gotta make sure I'm in ready tighty. Try to have it angled a certain way. these seats weren't in the way. Get in there. Now I can probably disconnect these. I probably could have in the first place. I don't know. I'm just overcomplicating. What's that? What's happening? Loosen that up because I got like that belt taut. There we go. It was like the belt's pinched in there the wrong way. Now we're good. We're secure. Alright, so we're secured down on both sides. So I'm going to put these to side and push the seat back. Oh, actually, first thing first, I'm going to put this like sound deadening shit back, which kind of rattles, which I was trying to hoping to get like a solution to, but doesn't look like I'm gonna. Okay. What a mess. Alright, so I got this back in, and I hate when it does that on my light, but I don't know about poking holes in it. I don't really know what to do with it. Looks like it's supposed to be mounted, oh, with these. Like these are for that. Maybe I bent those down or something. Let me try it. Alright, we're gonna try it. So I'm just gonna take some pliers, get it up on here, and then push it down. One right here too. Same thing. Push it down like that. These weren't on here before. That's things kind of fell down. Oh, that's from the exhaust hanger. Rear seat divider. Wow, that's an actual item. Scott Drake. 64, 68 rear seat divider. Interesting. So that's aftermarket. I wonder when they bought that. Oh, right there, 2013. Nice. So I got one here, and there should be one. Oh, it's not punched out. It's right here. I wonder if there's more of them not punched out somewhere. Oh, there's one right here. Get that one out. Ouch. Oh, there's one over here. Yep, hurt. There's one thing I do. Pay attention to details. Nope, that's not me. That's somebody else. When it's easy. Or if it stops the godforsaken rattling noise that's in here. Alright. Some cramped spaces. feel very healthy. Oh, nope, that one wasn't very healthy. And this is the side that rattles too. I'm gonna do something about that. I'm gonna do the only thing I can do. Oh wait, I don't have my drill. Shoot. Well, without my drill, I guess we're gonna have to deal with the rattling for a little while. Oh, this one broke too. What a joke. What about this thing? You go on? Yeah. How about that? And then, well, I guess. Oh, that one's broke too. Damn it. Why is this cardboard? That one fell off too. Oh. And this one broke. What's this thing? That one's gone. Get in there. Well, all of them broke. So we're just going to listen to this thing rattle until I screw it in. Whatever. Screw it. Literally. I'm not doing it today though. My drill is far, far away in the house. And I need this thing tomorrow, so it might not sound very far. And that's because I'm lazy. Yep, talk myself into it. I'm getting the drill. Alright, I'm back. I could only find 3, count them, 3 self-tappers. So we're going to have to be strategic. What I mean by that is, we don't want to put them all in one spot. You know, like, no, we want to go like one here, maybe one over here, and another one over the other side over here. So here, here, and over there. Not yeah, about as strategic as it gets for me. Alright, let's do the middle one first. Put her up there so I can get this kind of in here too. Oh, don't lose one of my self-tappers. We'll be screwed. We won't have the trifecta. We'll just have the double deuce, and that ain't gonna be enough. Alright. I wonder how much they paid for this piece of particle cardboard. 1, 2. 2. And put number 3 over here. Oh, this one's gonna suck. I gotta reach. Hopefully that cuts down on the vibration a little bit. Alright, so we got the bottom in, got the belts in, got the cardboard, you know, that keeps the things out of the trunk or something. Divider, that's in. And now I just gotta put this bad boy back where it goes. And yep, you're probably gonna see my back, but that's what I got for now. Okay, well, all my seatbelts fell in already. Take these out. Where's the other part? So we gotta get the prongs. I already know where for those to go. They must just hug the back of the seat. Okay, but these gotta go up here. Ow, ow, fingers. Okay, don't put fingers there. Give her a tappy. Yeah, look at that. That's fine. There was nothing down there. Who was gonna do that anyways? She's in there. She's golden grams. There's a thing. Yeah, there's nothing there. I don't know if it took the things out or if that's just how it is. I don't know, because that's how it was when I got it. But look at this. Oh, that's a bright light. Uh-oh. Oh, there you go. Got myself a seatbelt. Oh, the whole car's moving. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't even set back here yet. How nice. Safety first. Oh, it's eating my shirt. Alright. Well, that'll do it for the little add-on threw in there. Yep. Hopefully I'll get these videos out eventually. But until next time.